Today we're going to be making a bird feeder since our theme this week is spring. It's really simple to make and it's just 3 easy steps. All you need is some gelatin, which I've got vegetarian, I've got halal, you can have normal gelatin, some water and some bird seeds. So what you do, you boil the kettle, empty 1/4 of water into the jug, add your gelatin in, wait for it to dissolve, and then add it to your seeds, which your little helper can help mixing the bird seeds. I think I need a few more bits of bird seeds to thicken it up. Obviously you can use your Play-Doh cutters you use at home or your cookie cutters and put them on a tray because they will be going into the fridge. So as you can see, it's thickening up. There we go. And then your little helper can help. I think I still need a bit more. This is going to be interesting. Okay. Okay, then we scoop it. Ooh, it's a bit overfull. Okay. Make sure it's sort of spread out. Do a nice dinosaur one. Be any theme, any little thing you choose to do. Well, that one's going to be a fun one, I'm sure. So at least it's all filled out. I'm actually running out of mixture. Okay, so we'll go finish here. Okay, there we go. Then what I suggest is to maybe poke a hole before it goes into the fridge, which will be like this, or you can leave it in. It's just a toothpick, but it makes a hole so it'd be easy to insert your ribbon once it's all hardened up. There we go. So they've all got a hole ready to insert the ribbon. There we go. And I would say pop it, well, I left my one I made earlier in for about 2.5 hours in the fridge, and then we'll hopefully the children will see some lovely birds come along to eat their lovely bird feeder they've made for them. And here's one I made earlier. I hope you enjoyed the activity, and I hope the birds enjoy it too.